everybody, this is Amy with the Garden Tower Project, and I'm going to show you how to put Generation 2 model together. So inside the drawer you have the legs of the tower. So you're going to find the grooves at the base. You're going to slide those on there. It doesn't have to be completely tight right at first. So you'll see, once we get all three of them on there, you can press down from the top. Okay. Then you can put your drawer in the bottom. That's going to catch all your leachate, and the screen that's there will help block the soil from washing all the way through. And then you're going to start building your compost tube, and you'll start with the ones with the holes. And in each section there's a tab and a groove, and you'll line those up. And then with your grow rings, there are posts that fit right in there. Locks down. You find the tabs, put those in the grooves like that. You can also refer to the instructions that came with the tower. Who likes to read instructions though? That's why you're watching the video. You fit those there, one after another. It's really awesome how easy this is. You don't need any tools, which is very cool. You don't really need any help. Oh, maybe, there we go. Put the last grow ring on there. And then the very top of the vermicompost tube doesn't have the holes. And then on the very top of that you have the lid, and that keeps rainwater from getting in there. There we go. Now we're ready to load it with soil.